Welcome back to the U.S. Census Open Mapping Series. This is GIS Module 2, Basics of QGIS. In this module, you will learn the basic tools and menu options within the QGIS interface. You will download and add U.S. Census Tiger data to the map, explore these map data, and save your map. With breaks for self-paced learning, it should take you about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Let's get started. Part 1, the QGIS interface. In Module 1, you installed QGIS. Look for the QGIS icon on your desktop, in your Downloads folder, or in the Start menu. Double-click on it to open. Be sure to choose QGIS Desktop 2.18 and not the QGIS browser. It will take a moment or two to load depending on your computer. A tip screen will appear each time you start the program that provides helpful information as you learn the program. Close the tip screen. Note, it can be turned on and off under Settings, Options, General. If you have any recent projects, they will show as shortcuts on the map canvas. First, let's go through the interface and toolbars. Along the top, you have the main menu bar. This provides access to various QGIS features using a standard hierarchical menu. Click on each menu item to explore the contents. Tools provide quick and easy access to map interaction tools, including many of the same functions as in the menu. Hover your cursor over the tools to display a short description of the purpose. Hover over the vertical line to find out what toolbar you are viewing. Toolbars can be reorganized, added, or switched off. If they are not visible in a toolbar, all tools remain accessible via the menu. If you hide a toolbar, you can restore it by choosing Menu, View, Toolbars. Panels are special widgets that you can interact with when performing advanced tasks. You will not be using the browser panel in these modules. Please close it using the X in the corner. The Layered panel provides a list of all the layers added to the map. The layered tools allow you to add different types of geospatial data to the map. Layers are displayed in the order which they are listed in the Layers panel. Drag and drop to reorder. The map canvas to the right will display these layers. The status bar along the bottom of the interface notifies you of any updates, shows the current placement of your mouse, your current scale, magnification level, rendering control, and the current coordinate reference system of your map. Pause the video now and take a few minutes to explore the different components of the QGIS interface. In Part 2, you will start creating a map. For this map, we will be using Tiger data from the U.S. Census Bureau. Tiger has existed for 25 years, and Tiger shapefiles are designed to be used in a GIS. You will need to download the data from the U.S. Census Bureau website. First, create a new folder on your desktop. Call it Census Data. Then, open a browser and navigate to www.census.gov. Click on Geography. Click on Maps and Data. Next, choose Tiger Products. Click on Tiger Line Shapefiles. Scroll down and click Download. Choose Web Interface. Use the drop-down arrows and select Year 2017. Select a layer type, States and Equivalent. Click Submit. Click Download National File. Now save the file in the new folder, Census Data. Return to the web page. Click on Return to Tiger Line Shapefiles main. Repeat the steps to download a roads shapefile. Select Florida from the drop-down in Primary and Secondary Roads. Click Download. Save to your Census Data folder. Return to the web page. Click on Return to Tiger Line Shapefiles main. Repeat the steps to download a Places shapefile. Select Florida from the drop-down. Click Download. Save the file to your Census Data folder. Open the Census Data folder on your desktop. Unzip the 3 files you just downloaded. Open QGIS by clicking on the QGIS Desktop 2.18.17 icon. Read the tip and click OK. Start a new project by clicking on Project, New, or by using the New tool. We're going to add some layers to start creating a map. To do this, go to Layer, Add Vector Layer, or click on the Add Vector Data button. If you are unsure of the button, hover over each button to see the function. Click Browse, navigate to your census data folder on the desktop. Double-click on the TL 2017 US State folder. One file should be visible. If not, make sure that the file type is set to ESRI shapefiles, and then click Open. You will return to the original Add Layer window, and the source should now have the dataset name. Click Open. Your map view should now show a map of the United States. The Layers panel should show the TL 2017 US State Vector layer in the list. Now let's add some roads to the map. Click on the Add Vector Data button again and repeat the steps. This time, choose the TL 2017 Roads file. Again, one file should be visible. If not, make sure that the file type is set to ESRI shapefiles. Roads should now be visible on top of the Florida portion of the map of the United States. The Layers panel will display both the roads and the state layer. Now that you've added US states and Florida roads, let's add Florida places. Click on the Add Vector Data button one more time. Repeat the steps, this time choosing the TL 2017 12 place file. Now that you have some data on your map canvas, it is a great time to save. To do so, click either Project, Save, or click the Save As button. Name your project Florida Places and save to your census folder. Now you can investigate some of the map data. Zoom into the continental United States. Choose the Zoom tool and select that area. With the state file highlighted in the Layer panel, click the Identify Features tool. Click on Texas. The state will be outlined in red, and an information box will open, displaying the attributes of the chosen state or feature. Take a minute to explore the U.S. Click in the white space around the U.S. to unselect. Use the Map Navigation toolbar to navigate the map. You can also use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out of the map and the arrow keys to pan. Let's zoom into Florida now and take a closer look at the data. There are 4 different ways to do this. Use your mouse wheel and scroll forward. Use the zoom tool. You can also right-click on the roads layer in the Layers panel and choose the first option, Zoom to Layer. Because this is a Florida-only road layer, it will zoom to that extent. Now let's investigate the data we downloaded by looking at the attribute tables. To do so, highlight a layer and right-click. Click on Open Attribute Table, or highlight the layer in the Layer panel and click the Attribute Table tool. You'll notice that each state has a row in the attribute table. Click on a row to highlight that state. Unselect that state by using the Unselect Highlighted tool button. Pause the video now and take a few minutes to explore the attribute tables of the 3 data layers. Congratulations, you have completed Module 2. In the next module, you will learn how to style these layers and compose a printed map. Please keep QGIS open if you are continuing to Module 3.